Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Call me Jessy. I hope you all are keeping safe and sound, and I hope you and your family are staying fit and healthy, unlike me, who has been just cooking and eating food. I've gained a few kilos as well, but food is life, so I can't really do anything about it. And I've been cooking loads of food and eating loads of food as well, so because I'm bored in the house. I'm in the house bored. I'm bored. That's a funny thing on TikTok. Are you guys on TikTok? Because I'm not. I hate that shit. Well, I might take it back. Maybe one day I might just be like, oh, let me join TikTok. Let's just check it out. Oh well. So this video is not about that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have done and this beautiful dish. Ta-da! Yes, I have cooked Majboos the second time now. Plus two, 4. Second time now, and I hope you guys like it. So it's just an Arabic dish. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments section down below, or you can DM me to ask me any sort of questions you guys have. And yeah, this is my Instagram handle. If you guys haven't followed me, I'm quite active over there rather than on any other social media. So if you guys haven't followed me, make sure you follow me. And also, yeah, about Majboos, let's talk about that. So about Majboos, or some people would like to call it Machboos, it's an Arabic pulao like kind of thing. So if you guys try it, I'm gonna show you step by step how it is done and what you use and how it is prepared. So if you guys like it, let me know, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, I'm gonna share towards the end, I'm gonna share what I have, like what was the side dish along with it, like as in like the sauce which you use. So I'm gonna share some pictures. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments like I said. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out any further notifications from me. And yeah, so I'll see you guys towards the end. Let's get cooking. So I've taken like 6 pieces of large chicken pieces. You need to have the skin on so that it be nice and crispy. So now we're gonna prepare the marination. So for this, I'm gonna put down the ingredients below, so you know what all and how much ingredients you require. So over here I'm using few lime leaves. You can also use them, or you can use the dry black lemon. And these were the ones which I had bought from our previous time, when I had cooked Majboos. So I thought of using these. Or else you can use as an optional, you can use the black lemon as well if you do not get these, of course. Both are well and good. You can use 2 teaspoons of the grated black lemon powder. Once you mix all the ingredients, make it to some nice thick consistency, so you can nicely coat the chicken and marinate it for an hour. And also on the other hand, you gotta also soak the rice, so it'll be nice and ready to cook. Now we're gonna make the rice preparation, so how to cook the rice. So in a separate utensil, now you gotta use all these ingredients which I'm gonna show. So once you put the oil, now you gotta roast until you get some nice aroma for this whole garam masala. So once you fry and once you add everything, now it's time to put the onions, and then once you have that nice translucent color of the onions, or when they are like a bit red or purple, it's time to add the tomatoes. And you don't have to make this really like mushy. You can just leave it a bit thick, and it's a tip to add salt while you're cooking the onion so that it'll be nice and soft quickly. Now you gotta close the lid and cook it until the oil separates from the onion and the tomatoes, like you're just gonna see it in the next few seconds. And now it's time to add all the dry powder. So once that is done, again you gotta cover it and cook it until the masala separates from the oil. So over here now, since the masala is cooked, now it's time to add the chicken finally. So once the chicken is added, you gotta add water to it. So I'm using 3 cups of rice. So you can cook the chicken with about 6 cups of water. So always double it up. If you're using 2 cups of rice, of course you'll be adding 4 cups of water to it. So once the chicken is about 70% cooked, it's time to remove it out and add the rice to it. So the idea is that you need to cook the chicken broth, you need to cook the rice with the chicken broth and all the masala, so that way that's how it is done. Now since the rice is getting cooked, it's kept on medium flame, so it's time to cook the chicken. So the chicken should be nice and crispy and crunchy on the outside. That's when you know the chicken is cooked. As we had already cooked it for 70%, I mean it should be properly cooked, or else it'll be pink on the inside, which you don't want really. And now since the rice and all the chicken pieces are cooked, it's time to plate it.
and voila, it's done. So look at this beautiful looking dish. I hope you guys try it, and if you do, make sure you send me some pictures along and wait to us until the end to watch how to view the pictures how the Daqoos was made. I'm gonna show you step by step how it is made as well.
So guys, hello there. I hope you guys liked it. What do you guys think? Was it easy? Was it difficult? The process seems a bit long, but it's not really. It's just the marination which takes a bit long because it's about 1 hour. You gotta soak the rice and you gotta keep the chicken for marination. I mean, if you do it like overnight, that's well and good as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up like I said already, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out any future notifications from me when I upload any videos. So until then, hasta la vista guys.